everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. In this video, we are going to be testing out a sweet feature. Look, this feature is actually very beautiful inside of Canva. And what this feature helps you to do is to convert images to video. So let's delve straight into Canva and let's get started. So there are three things you need to know about this feature, and I think they're very important before I start demonstrating. The first one is the images you are going to use shouldn't have faces in there. That's the first one. The second thing is the images shouldn't be a pro image inside of Canva. And the third thing is, even if it's an uploaded image, it shouldn't have faces. Okay, so that's the three things I think we had to just mention so that you know how you're going to use it, because with the rise of AI, Canva needs to run on some policies. So I just wanted to run that. Okay. Anyway, this is the first image, this is the second image, and this is the third image. I want us to try it out. So to use this feature, we first of all click on this image, come to edit. Okay. Then we just have to come here and you see image to video. Okay. That's where it's hiding. So once you click on it, you can create 3 seconds video. So let's click on that and let's see what Canva can do for us. And just in case you're on the free version of Canva, but you want to try this feature out, I have a link a special link actually in the description box below that can help you upgrade to Canva Pro for free for 30 days, just to also try all these features out. Okay, so make sure you're checking it out. Let's go back and let's see. So add to design. All right. And let's see what Canva has been able to create for us. And this, I think, is impressive, looking at the image and just transforming that into video. Okay, so this is the first image. Let's see what Canva can also do with this particular one. This one, I am very curious. Okay, I'm very, very curious. So let's come to edit, because, with these AI models, I think they're really getting better. So let's see what it can do with this one as well. And yeah, all right. So it's saying it's detected some faces and all that. I can't see. Okay, I think I can see this face. So let's do this. Let's change the image to maybe any other one. So I'll just search for Nigeria just to see what Canva can give us. And I still want something with cars. Okay. So this we can't find any sort of face. I can't find any sort of face. So, and even if they are faces, they are not visible at all. So let's see if Canva can actually do something for us. All right. So then let's add to see. I just can't wait to see. Okay. So this is it. Canva has converted it. All right. I think it makes sense. It really, really, really makes sense. I like it. I like it. I like it. Now let's check this one. This is just nature to see what Canva can do with the Canva AI. This should be the easiest. Okay, so we'll come back here and just click on image to video, and we'll just generate a 3-second video to see what Canva can do. This one, let's add it and let's see. I'm sure there wouldn't be a lot of movement because it's a tree. So if anything, yeah, there wouldn't be any serious movement. It's just I can see some slight movement here. I can also see some slight movement here. It's like a cool breeze. All right. So the other thing we can also do, in fact, let me just add a new page. The other thing we can also do is once we come, in fact, let me choose this and come here into edit. Then we come to the image to video. Okay. We can also come to custom and to describe the ideal motion. Okay. So we can say fast. Okay, just fast wind blowing. All right, or we can just say a storm, but let me just say a fast wind blowing, and let's see what Canva can do based on what I have entered in the text prompt. Okay, all right. So this is what Canva has done, and interesting. For the fact that it's added a bed, makes it very interesting to me, and we just have the ocean and the fast wind blowing. Even though I can't really tell where the wind, because if there's fast wind, we should see some sort of impact, but we can't really see anything for now. So this is what you can actually do inside. I'm just curious to try one more image. Okay, so let's do liar. Okay, so I would do this and let's search for a lion. Okay, and we have some lions in here. But one thing we'd also do is to make sure we are choosing three, just to have three images alone. Okay, so let's choose this particular one. Let's come to edit. Then let's come to image to video, and we'll just say smiling lion. Then generate the 3-second video, and let's see what Canva can do. In fact, the Canva AI can do for us. Anyway, that was my wife. Okay, so add to video, and the lion has a tongue stretched out. So I just want to see what it's going to do. Okay, even though I said smiling, it wasn't smiling. But anyway, that's what you can do within Canva. And I hope this feature unlocks some new possibilities. The name is Benjamin. Always remember there is no limit to creativity. And I should see you in the next one. Peace.